Hi, and welcome to day 6 of Festive Tangles. Today we have a tangle by Jane Dickinson. I've never used it before, but I think it's cute and it can be a lovely addition to this series. The name is Scrawlz, and it's very simple. So I will start with a wavy line. And then from that wavy line, you should draw these little growths that end with fescue, but instead of fescue, I will draw an orb. Hopefully it will look like little festive baubles. And you just keep on going with the same shape. If you prefer fescue, that's perfectly fine. I think this is already so cute, so cute. And then you add a little leaf shapes actually. And the leaf shapes should be placed. And for me, it's not so easy because I drew these little curves with orbs very near this central line, but it doesn't really matter. This doesn't actually look totally like the step out, but feel free to search for a step out online. It's easy to find it, and you will see what the original step out looks like. Let me add another one here and another leaf shape too. And then you end this with another little orb or fescue that grows from the one that's already here. I think you could use this beautifully to kind of draw something. I think this might make more sense here. Well, it's not really what the original step out says, but I say, why not? It's my interpretation of this tangle, and I will just be playful with how I place it. But I wanted to say, I think this might make a really lovely Christmas wreath. I hope that I pronounced it well. So you can imagine just drawing this in a circle and then adding different ornaments, embellishments, colors, more leaves. Maybe I can add a few more leaves on this bottom part. Let me see. Again, I'm doing it my way. And I think this is exactly how it should be done. Make it yours and draw it your way. And of course, I didn't play with it before, so maybe if I just, I don't like the name practice. It's not practice, it's exploring. Maybe if I explored it a little bit before I tried to draw it, or before I started to draw it. I didn't try to draw it, I drew it. But if I explored it before that, maybe I would have figured out, okay, this would work better if the placement, if the position of whatever I drew was a little further away or closer to this and that. You learn about a tangle, you get to know it as you play with it and explore it fearlessly. So feel free to do that and make it your own. I think this is so cute. Really, just as it is. I don't think that it lacks anything, even if it's maybe not the way that it was intended by the person who deconstructed the Tangle. Doing it your own way is the way to go. Don't be afraid to do it like that. Just wing it and go with the flow. Oops, I forgot about this one, but there's always graphite on the tip of the blending stump, so I can easily just add it with this. Now you can imagine maybe if you made these leaves green and these little baubles red, for example, or pick another one of your favorite color combos for like festive ornaments or drawings. It could be really, really cute, but I love it. I don't know how I never saw it before. It's so, so cute. And it doesn't require a lot of shading. It's just beautiful as it is, without too many enhancements, because shades and highlights are also Tangle enhancers. It's what makes the tangles usually just come alive. But this one is very cute, just if you do the line work, even without any enhancers. I'm adding a little bit of shade to the bottom of these gold bubbles, and it's only actually visible if you look at it from a certain angle or at a certain angle, but it doesn't matter. I wanted to do it, so I did it. And I think I will be done with this. It looks perfect. I'm really surprised. I mean, I saw the Tangle, I thought it was so cute, but I'm really surprised at how cute and easy it is, which is what I love about the Tangles. Okay, now the name. This is my little Scrawlz, or a version of it. I love it, and I hope that you liked it too. Have fun with it. Bye.